Welcome back, everyone. Listen up. If you're a working independent musician, actually making money on Spotify, Apple Music, or really any streaming platform, you need to stop whatever you're doing right now and pay close attention. The whole music industry landscape is shifting massively, and you've got to be prepared. Today, we're bringing you an absolutely crucial industry update about the new AI music laws rolling out by March 2025. Think of this explainer as your ultimate survival guide. We're going to break down exactly how you can protect your hard-earned streaming income from this incoming wave of regulations and, honestly, how to stay way ahead of the curve. So here's our agenda for today. 1. The AI music crackdown. 2. The financial risks of AI. 3. Protecting your streaming income. And 4. Using AI as a tool.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is the absolute bottom line you need to remember. 100% AI music equals zero money. Let that sink in for just a second. If you're uploading tracks to streaming platforms that were made entirely by an AI, you're looking at absolutely zero royalties. The days of making a quick buck off a machine doing literally all the work, yeah, those days are officially over.
Section 1. The AI music crackdown, what you need to know. The big target here is what they're calling solely AI-created music. So what does that actually mean for your workflow? Well, it means music generated purely by entering a prompt into an AI system and just taking that finished output without any human construction, arrangement, or tweaking afterwards. If your whole studio process is just typing a few words into a prompt box, downloading the audio, and tossing that raw file straight to your distributor, that's exactly the behavior getting penalized. The system wants human artists, not prompt engineers playing dress-up as musicians.
Now, this whole crackdown didn't just happen out of nowhere. It was a massive domino effect. It all started with this huge grassroots campaign where over 10,000 real musicians protested against British government plans. Those plans would have let tech firms train AI models using real performers' voices and copyrighted material. Completely unfair, right? Well, that incredible pushback from actual artists led directly to regulation, with the US government stepping in to implement strict AI copyright laws. And that brings us to enforcement. Since these tech companies are global, streaming giants like Spotify and Apple are now enforcing global zero monetization policies for solely AI tracks.
Section 2. Financial risks of AI, the cost of laziness.
The harsh realities of ignoring these new rules are pretty severe. If you try to upload a track made entirely by AI, you're looking at zero monetization on streaming platforms. You simply won't make a dime. But honestly, it gets worse. If the platforms detect that your upload is purely AI generated, and trust me, their detection tools are getting sharper literally every single day, they'll initiate immediate track takedowns. You face a total loss of potential royalties, not to mention a huge hit to your reputation as an artist. Taking the lazy route is just a massive financial risk now.
Section 3. Protecting your streaming income, why this helps you. So why were these rules so necessary? Let's look at the actual ecosystem problem. We had bad actors literally setting up multiple computers just to feed endless prompts into AI generators all day long. Then they'd take that automated output and mass upload thousands of those tracks to Spotify. And step 3 is where it really hurt you. This mass flooding siphoned the royalty pool away from real artists. Because streaming platforms operate on a shared revenue pool, every fake AI track played was literally taking money straight out of your pocket. And that brings us to a quote that really hits the nail on the head. Streaming platforms already don't pay well, and small artists suffer most. This law ensures actual musicians can still make money. We all know the biggest pain point in our industry, right? Streaming payouts are notoriously tough. It's already an uphill battle for indie artists to get paid fairly. If cheap, mass-produced AI music was just allowed to flood the system unchecked, actual musicians wouldn't stand a chance at making a living wage. Stopping this flood is a massive win for human creators. It protects your piece of the pie. Section 4. Using AI as a tool, the professional workflow. Okay, so how can you use AI legally? It comes down to a massive difference between the amateur and the professional approach. There's the illegal workflow, where you prompt the AI, export the audio, and immediately upload it. That's what gets you banned. But then there's the pro workflow. You generate AI samples, bring those raw pieces into your DAW, apply your own human arrangement and tweaking, and then construct the final track. That second method, that is 100% legal and compliant. Think of AI as a collaborator. You can use it to spark new melody ideas super quickly when you've got writer's block. You can generate multiple unique samples in a single day just to, see what's possible. You can even study its outputs to learn complex arrangement techniques. The absolutely crucial part is that once you have those raw materials, you have to build the song yourself. You tweak it and construct the outputs to fit your own unique taste. An AI output straight out of the box is basically never going to match your true artistic vision anyway, so your human touch is what actually makes it art. And the ultimate benefit of doing things the right way? 10x. When you treat AI strictly as a production tool, like a studio assistant that hands you infinite raw materials, you can speed up your workflow by 10 times. You're taking something that initially looked like a huge threat to the music industry and flipping it into your own major competitive advantage. So I'll leave you with this question. Will you let AI replace your artistry, take the lazy route, and risk losing all your streaming income? Or will you embrace the pro workflow, protect your royalties, and use AI to 10x your very next studio session? The laws are now officially set up to protect actual musicians, but it's entirely up to you to adapt your workflow starting tomorrow. Stop chasing the risky path of just letting the machine do it all. Get back in the studio, get your hands dirty, and use these incredible tools to build your absolute best tracks. Thanks for joining me on this explainer. Now go make some music.